Happy Memorial Day. Good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Payne, and this video is on Memorial Day, and I just want to say how to make today different from yesterday. And the reason why I want to do this post, you guys, is because a lot of times a lot of autism parents, we deal with the same challenges on a day-to-day basis. And it's funny because you find yourself with someone will say, well, how's your kid doing? How's everything? And you're like, he's good. It's the same. You could feel like each day, and not even just with autism parents, with just like life in general, you could feel like every day is pretty much the same. And when you expect that, it will become that. So how to make today way different from yesterday, even if yesterday was awesome, how to make today even better. And the first thing you got to do, you guys, is that you have to wake up and you have to set that intention. And when you first wake up, I don't know, sometimes people wake up grouchy. I've always been a morning person. I'm more of a morning person if I wake up on my own accord and waking up by a grumpy child or a sleepy kid. I'm more of alert if it's on my own accord, of course. But in the morning, you guys, the first thing, I like getting up before everybody. I like that quietness. And what I do, I take time out. I make my coffee, of course, but I take time out and I say, okay, how is today going to be? And I set up a framework based on my goals and my intention. I set that first thing in the morning. So today I'm off. My husband's off. It's a holiday. A lot of people are off. There's activities around the city, and I have decided whether or not I'm going to partake, or the kids and I are going to enjoy some of those things. I don't just expect life to just happen. Of course it does, but I don't just say, okay, well, I hope my son wakes up in a better mood. I hope that we can tolerate the fireworks. I hope. What good are those false hopes or those empty hopes? I wake up, I get clothes out, I get ready, and I decide we are going to do the fireworks. We are going to go to the park. And if we go and one of my boys are sick, or there's like a bad scene because there's too many people or too noisy, then I make those adjustments. I don't put in false hope. I don't say, well, I'll see if my husband wants to. No. I start my day off with what we're going to do today. And I know it seems like I'm a big pushy bully, but I'm not. It's that if you do not make plans for your life will make no plans for you. And I'm not going to use my child's diagnosis to limit the joy that my other sons could have, or my other, like, of course, I have 2 children with autism, but I have one that doesn't. And I'm not going to say, well, in my head, of course, we would never say this in person. Oh, because of their autism, we're not going to do this. We're not going to be able to do that. No, you guys, you have to set the intention. You have to start off with what you want the day to be. Just like we have dreams and hopes for our child, don't lose that because of autism. And not just for our children, you guys, I am mostly, and I'm going to change, I'm letting you guys know a few announcements. I'm going to change the way I structure the page. And the reason why is because I don't think I've been as clear with my message as I wanted to be. And my message is for autism parents: if you have lost yourself, if you have felt wounded or empty ever since this whole thing has taken over and it wasn't the life you expected, that even though we have those challenges, we can break free and have the very best life that we possibly can, and to not lose hope. And so I want to change my page to make sure that you guys understand the tools that I use in order to stay hopeful, that I listen to great books and speakers and readers, and I talk to awesome women, and that I set out every day when I talk to an autism mom, not just for us to complain or to be sad, but to help each other. And so I try to offer help for our needs, help for our children, help for everything that we go through. And so one of the things that we go through is stinking thinking. And this is not my words, it's the words of Jim Rohn, and I'll be happy to tell you about him if you don't know him, or know of his words, I should say. But we set up stinking thinking in our mind, limitations on what the life we can have, limitations on our children, limitations on holidays. We can still enjoy ourselves. It's going to be different, right? But we can plan those things, and we can still be happy mommies. First thing to do to be a happy mommy, and I will tell you this, whether you're an autism mom on my page or whether you are a patient walking through my clinic door, you have to take care of yourself. We all get old. You guys, last week I was bad, that's why you didn't see me. I did not work out as much. sometimes I get a case of stinking thinking too. And those days that didn't work out, I still was achy and sore. You know why? Because I'm 40. I'm over 40. But because I'm over 40, I can be achy and sore just from life. So do not let, oh, I'm scared to start a workout program because I might have aches and pains. That's a bad mistake. If you do that, if you don't take care of your health, you'll be paying doctors and hospitals for every little thing that comes across from not taking care of yourself. And if you're an autism mom, I'm telling you, do it for stress release. That's why I'm going to change the direction of the page, just to make sure you guys understand. The tools I use is positive people, exercise, stress management, and goal setting. Another thing I want to do today, you guys, I want us to get online and talk to each other. I'm going to probably use Zoom, which is how people do like phone conferences and stuff like that, where we can all talk. I don't want to just talk to you. I want us to all talk. Because another big problem that autism parents have is finances, especially autism moms. We lose work, we lose money. And if you guys scroll down, you'll see I put up a couple of posts about how much money we lose based, different from other parents who will have children with health issues. We lose more money. And that money, we don't just all of a sudden, the world keeps getting more expensive. So I think we can help each other, and I want us to get on and talk about different ways of what we need and maybe come up with solutions that are viable solutions, right? So again, my page is about health, fitness, mindset, and solutions, right? We may not have the cure for autism, but I'm not waiting for the cure. What I'm wanting is every day how to live a better life. And if you guys got it, I know you do, Beth, I know you do, Anna. If you got any little tips on how I can have a better life today, that's what the purpose of the page is. If you woke up, Beth, and you could keep your kid going, or you taught him how to read, or you helped him focus, we got to share that stuff. That's the purpose of the group that is by the same name. So I want everybody, of course, to join the group. But we need to share and help each other have a better life every day. Yes, that's right, Anna. You guys, I normally come on after my workout, which I'm always hyped, but I want to come on right before just to let you know where my mind is. And when I finish my workout, I'm even better. You got to take care of yourself, moms. You have to. Do not pay a white coat to do an okay job with your health. I love, don't get me wrong. I always seem like I'm bashing medicine, and that's my profession, right? I'm not. But health, a lot of issues we have is preventative. And we were not able to prevent autism, but we can prevent mommies from getting overly depressed and overly stressed out, and the inflammation that comes with stress and not eating right. Let's be clever. You got a great recipe that can help me live better and not feel deprived? Share it. Let's get together, moms. Let's help each other. Let's make our kids have the best life that we possibly can. And it's the moms that are the leaders. And dads, I'm with you too. You guys are awesome. But moms, if mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. What are you doing, mommy? You got to make today different from yesterday by changing your mind, by doing something different. And if you didn't work out yesterday, then get up, put some headphones on, dance in the kitchen, whatever you have to do. Do something. Walk the block. Walk the mailbox a couple of times. Do some knee-ups. Do some old-fashioned Suzanne Summers, Jane Fonda style. I know. You guys might not know who they are, but I do. Workouts. And I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Beth. Oh, gosh. I know you're happy to wake up today and realize that we're home. She is so right, you guys. I'm so happy to not have to rush to school and be late and feel that pressure. You guys have a great day, and hopefully we'll speak later and definitely do the conference call, and I will post for moms who can join. Of course, we'll record it and post. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to do my workout real quick before the house wakes up. That's my secret. That's my secret today. Before everybody wakes up, I got to do something.